Welcome! Today we're diving into a topic that impacts everyone, eventually, retirement. Whether you're just starting your career or already thinking about your golden years, understanding why retirement contributions matter is crucial. Many people underestimate how much they'll need to maintain their lifestyle after they stop working. In this video, we'll explore the reasons behind making regular retirement contributions, how they benefit you in the long run, and why starting early can make a significant difference. Let's begin by looking at what retirement really means and why planning ahead is so important. Retirement is the phase of life when you stop working full-time and rely on your savings, investments, and any pensions or social security benefits you've accumulated. It's a time to enjoy the fruits of your labor, travel, pursue hobbies, or simply relax. But to truly enjoy retirement, you need to have enough financial resources to support your desired lifestyle. That's where retirement contributions come in. By consistently setting aside money during your working years, you're building a safety net for your future self. Let's see why this is so important. One of the biggest reasons retirement contributions matter is the power of compound interest. When you contribute to your retirement fund, your money doesn't just sit there, it grows. The interest you earn each year is added to your principal, and then you earn interest on the new, larger amount. Over time, this snowball effect can turn even small, regular contributions into a substantial nest egg. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow, making a huge difference in your final retirement balance. Let's compare two scenarios, starting retirement contributions early versus starting later in life. If you begin saving in your 22nd, even small amounts can grow significantly by the time you retire. On the other hand, waiting until you're 40s or 50s means you'll need to contribute much more each month to catch up. The key takeaway is that time is your greatest ally when it comes to retirement savings. The sooner you start, the less you'll need to save each month to reach your goals. Many employers offer retirement plans, such as 401(k), and may even match a portion of your contributions. This is essentially free money added to your retirement savings. Taking full advantage of employer matches can significantly boost your retirement fund. If you're not contributing enough to get the full match, you're leaving money on the table. Make sure you understand your employer's retirement benefits and maximize them whenever possible. Retirement accounts like 401(k) and IRAs offer valuable tax benefits. Contributions to traditional accounts are often tax-deductible, reducing your taxable income today. Roth accounts, on the other hand, let your money grow tax-free, and withdrawals in retirement aren't taxed. These tax advantages help your savings grow faster and let you keep more of your money in the long run. Understanding these benefits can help you make smarter decisions about where to put your retirement savings. Inflation slowly erodes the purchasing power of your money over time. What costs $1,000 today might cost much more in 20 or 30 years. That's why it's important to contribute regularly to your retirement accounts and invest in assets that can outpace inflation. By planning ahead and making consistent contributions, you help ensure your retirement savings will be enough to maintain your lifestyle, even as prices rise. People are living longer than ever before, which means your retirement savings need to last longer too. It's not uncommon for retirement to last 20, 30, or even 40 years. Without adequate savings, you risk outliving your money. Regular contributions help build a larger nest egg, providing peace of mind that you'll have enough to cover your needs throughout your retirement years. Retirement isn't always smooth sailing. Unexpected expenses, such as medical emergencies, home repairs, or helping family members, can arise at any time. Having a well-funded retirement account gives you the flexibility to handle these surprises without derailing your financial security. That's another reason why consistent contributions are so important. They help you prepare for the unknown. Most people want to maintain their current lifestyle after they retire. That means having enough money to cover not just basic needs, but also travel, hobbies, and other activities you enjoy. Regular retirement contributions help ensure you'll have the resources to live the life you want, not just the life you can afford. Planning ahead gives you more choices and freedom in your retirement years. Many people assume Social Security will cover all their retirement needs, but in reality, it's only designed to replace a portion of your pre-retirement income. Relying solely on Social Security can leave you with a significant income gap. That's why personal retirement contributions are essential. They help fill the gap and provide the financial stability you need for a comfortable retirement. Retirement contributions aren't just about surviving, they're about thriving. By consistently saving and investing, you're building financial independence. This means you'll have the freedom to make choices about how you spend your time and money without being dependent on others. Financial independence is a key goal for many people, and it starts with regular retirement contributions. Knowing you're consistently contributing to your retirement fund brings peace of mind. You can focus on enjoying life today, confident that you're preparing for tomorrow. This sense of security reduces stress and allows you to make better decisions, both now and in the future. Retirement planning isn't just about money, it's about peace of mind. There are several types of retirement accounts, each with its own benefits and rules. Common options include 401k, IRAs, and Roth IRAs. Understanding the differences between these accounts can help you choose the best strategy for your needs. Some accounts offer immediate tax benefits, while others provide tax-free growth. The right mix depends on your financial situation and retirement goals. One of the easiest ways to ensure you're saving for retirement is to set up automatic contributions. Many employers allow you to have a portion of your paycheck deposited directly into your retirement account. This set-it-and-forget-it approach makes saving effortless and helps you stay consistent, even when life gets busy. As your income grows, it's important to increase your retirement contributions. Even small increases can make a big difference over time. Review your savings plan regularly and adjust your contributions to stay on track with your retirement goals. Life changes, and your saving strategy should adapt too. It can be tempting to dip into your retirement savings for emergencies or big purchases, but early withdrawals often come with penalties and taxes. More importantly, you lose out on future growth. Try to keep your retirement funds untouched until you actually retire, so your money can work for you as long as possible. A well-diversified retirement portfolio can help manage risk and increase your chances of long-term growth. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across stocks, bonds, and other assets. Diversification helps protect your savings from market ups and downs, ensuring a more stable retirement fund. Over time, your investment portfolio may drift from your original allocation due to market changes. Regularly rebalancing your portfolio ensures you stay aligned with your risk tolerance and retirement goals. This might mean selling some assets and buying others to maintain your desired mix. Rebalancing helps keep your retirement plan on track. It's important to set clear, realistic retirement goals. Think about when you want to retire, the lifestyle you want, and how much money you'll need. Having specific goals makes it easier to plan your contributions and track your progress. Remember, your goals can change over time, so review them regularly. Regularly monitoring your retirement savings helps you stay on track. Many retirement accounts offer online tools to check your balance, project future growth, and see if you're meeting your goals. Tracking your progress lets you make adjustments as needed and keeps you motivated to continue saving. If you're unsure about how much to save or where to invest, consider consulting a financial advisor. Professionals can help you create a personalized retirement plan, choose the right accounts, and adjust your strategy as your life changes. Getting expert advice can make a big difference in reaching your retirement goals. All retirement accounts have some fees and expenses, such as management fees or fund expenses. Over time, high fees can eat into your returns. It's important to understand what you're paying and look for low-cost investment options when possible. Keeping fees low helps your savings grow faster. Employer-sponsored retirement plans, like 401ks, are a powerful tool for building your retirement savings. They often come with benefits like automatic payroll deductions, employer matches, and a variety of investment options. Participating in your workplace plan is one of the easiest ways to save for retirement. Choosing between Roth and traditional retirement accounts depends on your current and expected future tax situation. Traditional accounts offer tax breaks now, while Roth accounts provide tax-free withdrawals later. Consider your income, tax bracket, and retirement plans when deciding which type is best for you. If you're 50 or older, you can make catch-up contributions to many retirement accounts. This allows you to save more each year and make up for any shortfalls in earlier years. Catch-up contributions are a valuable tool for boosting your retirement savings as you approach retirement age. Markets go up and down, and your retirement savings will be affected by these fluctuations. The key is to stay focused on your long-term goals and avoid making emotional decisions during market downturns. Regular contributions and a diversified portfolio help smooth out the bumps and keep your plan on track. It's important to have both an emergency fund and retirement savings. Your emergency fund covers unexpected expenses, so you don't have to tap into your retirement accounts early. Keeping these funds separate helps protect your long-term savings and ensures you're prepared for both short-term and long-term needs. Delaying retirement contributions can have a big impact on your future savings. The longer you wait, the less time your money has to grow, and the more you'll need to save each month to catch up. Starting early, even with small amounts, is far more effective than trying to play catch-up later. If you're self-employed, you still have great options for retirement savings, such as SEP IRAs, Solo 401ks, and Simple IRAs. These accounts offer high contribution limits and tax advantages. It's up to you to set up and fund your own plan, so make retirement savings a priority, even without an employer. Even if one spouse doesn't work outside the home, you can still contribute to a spousal IRA. This helps both partners build retirement savings and ensures financial security for your household. Spousal contributions are a smart way to maximize your family's retirement resources. Once you reach a certain age, you're required to start taking minimum distributions from most retirement accounts. These rules ensure you eventually pay taxes on your savings. Understanding required minimum distributions, RMDs, helps you plan your withdrawals and avoid costly penalties. Healthcare is one of the largest expenses in retirement. Medicare helps, but it doesn't cover everything. Planning for out-of-pocket costs, long-term care, and insurance premiums is essential. Regular retirement contributions help ensure you'll have enough to cover these important expenses. Retirement planning goes hand in hand with estate planning. Deciding how your assets will be distributed after you're gone is an important part of financial security. Regular contributions help grow your estate, and proper planning ensures your wishes are carried out. Your retirement savings determine the lifestyle you can afford. Whether you dream of traveling the world, starting a new hobby, or simply enjoying time with family, your contributions today shape your options tomorrow. Make choices now that support the future you want. There are many myths about retirement, such as, "I'll never need as much as I do now," or "I can always work longer." In reality, expenses often stay the same, or even increase, and working longer isn't always possible. Don't let myths keep you from making necessary contributions. Retirement isn't just a financial transition, it's an emotional one too. Having enough savings can reduce anxiety and help you feel more confident about the future. Regular contributions give you the security to enjoy retirement without constant worry about money. By saving for your own retirement, you reduce the financial burden on your children or loved ones. This allows them to focus on their own goals and dreams, rather than worrying about supporting you. Responsible retirement planning benefits your entire family. Saving for retirement is a long-term commitment, and it's easy to lose motivation along the way. Setting milestones, celebrating progress, and reminding yourself of your goals can help you stay on track. Remember, every contribution brings you closer to a secure and enjoyable retirement. Life changes, and so should your retirement plan. Regularly review your savings, investments, and goals to make sure you're still on the right path. Adjust your contributions and strategies as needed to stay aligned with your vision for retirement. There are many resources available to help you plan for retirement, from online calculators and budgeting tools to books and financial advisors. Take advantage of these resources to educate yourself and make informed decisions about your retirement contributions. As you reach important milestones like paying off debt, hitting a savings target, or retiring early, take time to celebrate your achievements. Recognizing your progress keeps you motivated and reinforces the importance of regular contributions. Transitioning to retirement can be a big adjustment. You'll need to shift from saving to spending, manage your withdrawals, and adapt to a new routine. Planning ahead and making regular contributions while you're working makes this transition much smoother and less stressful. Your retirement contributions don't just benefit you, they set an example for others. By planning and saving responsibly, you inspire your children, friends, and community to do the same. The legacy of good financial planning can last for generations. In summary, retirement contributions matter because they secure your future, provide peace of mind, and give you the freedom to enjoy life on your terms. The earlier you start, the more powerful your savings become, thanks to compound interest and consistent growth. No matter where you are in your journey, it's never too late to begin. Start today and give your future self the gift of financial security.